Welcome back to Executive Hausa Tutors channel. Learning is always fun with us. Today, we will learn more advanced phrases and expressions in Hausa, useful for daily life. So, get your notebook and your pen. Let the lesson begin. Part 1. Daily life phrases. These phrases will help you speak with confidence in everyday situations. Number 1. I am going to the market. Zan je kasuwa. I need water, please. Ina buƙatar ruwa, don Allah. What time is it? Ƙarfe nawa ne? I like this food. Ina son wannan abincin. Can you help me? Za ka iya taimaka min? Part 2. Talking about yourself. Being able to talk about yourself is important. Number 1. My name is Aisha. Sunana Aisha. I am from Kano. Daga Kano nake. I work as a presenter. Ina aiki a matsayin mai gabatarwa. Number 4. I like reading books. Ina son karanta littattafai. Part 3. Expressing feelings. It is important to express feelings in conversation. Number 1. I am happy. Ina farin ciki. I am tired. Na gaji. I am hungry. Ina jin yunwa. I am worried. Ina cikin damuwa. Now, part 4. Making plans. You can now talk about your plans and future actions. Number 1. Tomorrow, I will go to the market. Gobe, zan je kasuwa. I want to learn more Hausa. Ina so in ƙara koyon Hausa. We will meet at 5 o'clock. Za mu haɗu da ƙarfe 5. Let's go together. Mu tafi tare. Part 5. Short conversation. Here is a conversation for practice. Person A. Hello. How are you today? Sannu, yaya kake yau? Person B. I am fine. Thank you. And you? Lafiya nake. Na gode. Kaifa? Person A. I am a bit tired, but happy. Na gaji kaɗan, amma ina farin ciki. Person B. Good. Are you going out? Da kyau. Fita za ka yi ne? Person A. Yes, I am going to the market. Zan je kasuwa ne. Person B. I will come with you. Zan raka ka. Have you write this down? If yes, great job. You are improving your Hausa. Keep practicing every day and soon you will speak confidently. Now, let's practice some important words used for daily life. Cup, kofi, plate, faranti, ball, kwano, car, mota, chair, kujera, table, teburi, bucket, bokiti, home, gida, school, makaranta, playground, filin wasa, football field, filin buga ƙwallo, ball, ƙwallo, player, ɗan wasa, clock, agogo, room, ɗaki, kitchen, madafa, pot, tukunya, knife, wuƙa, bag, jaka, shoe, takalmi, ring, zobe, earring, ɗan kunne, necklace, sarƙa, bracelet, abin hannu, makeup, kwalliya, salon, wajen gyaran gashi, bed, gado, pillow, matashin kai, comb, mataji, pen, abin rubutu, book, littafi, mattress, katifa, box, akwati, bottle, kwalba, door, ƙofa, window, taga, television, talabijin, bedroom, ɗakin bacci, family, iyali, friends, ƙawaye, sister, 'yar uwa, brother, ɗan uwa, neighbor, maƙoci. Keep practicing to improve your Hausa learning. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video to help more learners discover our journey. If you need any private Hausa lesson or any other Hausa services, please reach out to Executive Hausa Tutors page directly. We will love to have you back in our next episode. See you then. See Anjuma.